Yes, so far?
Yes.
Okay, next. Okay, your some of the intrinsic muscle, intrinsic magagawing muscle. Okay, the level of the tongue. Level of the tongue. Okay, you have here one, Tanisha. This one, Tanisha muscle. Okay, that is more the towards the midlines of palms and hand. This one, we call this muscle now as the flexor pollicis brevis. So, more siya
Where, sir?
flexor pollicis brevis.
Okay.
Yeah, more little bit lateral to this muscle. Lateral ni siya. We call this muscle na sure. Abductor pollicis brevis. Okay, abductor pollicis brevis.
Abductor.
Flexor ni siya. Abductor pollicis brevis. Then, kani siya further sa side, although partly lang siya nakita, kay cover magyutan na sa metacarpal bone, being covered by this two muscle, the flexor abductor. Underneath na napan na siya muscle, narina na more nakita. We call this muscle na sure, opponens pollicis. So you have your opponens pollicis. So your flexor pollicis brevis, abductor pollicis brevis, and opponens pollicis.